Hello and welcome to Level Up Your English. I'm your host, Kevin.
And I'm Monica. We're so glad you could join us today.
Today we have a really fun and relaxing topic. We're going to be talking about hobbies.
That's right. Hobbies are the activities we do for fun in our free time. Talking about them is a great way to connect with new people and share what you love.
Exactly. So first, we'll share our own hobbies, and then we'll teach you some really useful phrases so you can talk about yours.
It's going to be a great episode. Are you ready? Let's get started.
So, Monica, let's start with you. What do you like to do in your free time? What are your hobbies?
Well, I have a few hobbies that I really enjoy. My main one is gardening.
Gardening? Oh, that's interesting. Do you have a big garden?
Not at all. I have a small balcony, but I make it work. I grow flowers and some herbs like basil and mint.
Wow, fresh herbs. That's fantastic.
It is. It's so nice to watch them grow. I love seeing the bright colors of the flowers every morning.
That sounds very peaceful. So, why do you like it so much?
Mostly because it helps me relax. Being outside, even just on my balcony, with the quiet sounds of nature is very calming. What about you, Kevin? What are your hobbies?
Well, my hobby is a bit different. I'm really into playing the guitar.
Oh, wow. A musician, that's so cool.
Ha ha! I don't know about musician. I'm not a professional, but I really enjoy it. I started playing when I was a teenager and just never stopped.
That's amazing. How often do you play?
I try to play a little bit every day, usually for about 30 minutes after work. It's a great way to clear my head and forget about any stress from the day.
I completely understand that. It's the same for me with gardening. I usually water my plants in the morning. It's a quiet start to the day. On weekends, I spend more time, maybe an hour or two planting new things, or just taking care of them.
Right? It seems like we both have hobbies that help us feel good and de-stress.
Exactly. Do you have any other hobbies?
I do. I also love to read. I read a lot of books.
Me too. What kind of books do you like?
I'm a big fan of science fiction. I love stories about space, technology, and the future. They make me think. What about you?
Oh, that's cool. I prefer mystery novels. I love trying to solve the puzzle along with the detective.
Right? That's the best feeling when you guess who the culprit is before the end of the book.
Totally agree. It feels like such a victory. It's so important to have something you enjoy doing just for yourself. It makes life more interesting.
You know, speaking of mystery novels, I just finished one that was absolutely brilliant. It was called The Girl with the Dragon Tattoo. Have you read it?
Oh, absolutely. The Millennium series is fantastic. Stieg Larsson was a genius. The characters are so complex, especially Lisbeth Salander. I couldn't put it down.
What a fun conversation. It's great to share our passions and even our future goals. Now, let's help our listeners do the same. We're going to share 6 very useful and simple phrases so you can talk about your own hobbies with confidence.
Yes, let's start with a great one to begin a sentence. The phrase is, in my free time.
Right. So using my hobby, I can say, in my free time, I play guitar. It's simple and direct.
And I could say, in my free time, I do some gardening. This phrase is a perfect answer for the question, what do you do for fun?
Okay, let's move to our next phrase. This one is great for showing you are very passionate. The phrase is, I'm really into...
I love this one. It means you really, really like something. It has more energy than just saying I like. For example, I'm really into mystery novels.
Exactly. And I can say, I'm really into science fiction. So, to our listeners, think about your hobby right now. Can you say, I'm really into... Go on, try it.
Great job. Our third phrase is very useful and common. It's simply, I enjoy. It means the same as, I like, but it sounds a little warmer.
For example, I enjoy playing my guitar in the evening. It's simple and clear.
And I can say, I enjoy taking care of my plants. So, what do you enjoy? Take a moment to think about it.
Perfect. Now, let's talk about why we like our hobbies. A very common reason is for relaxation. A wonderful phrase for this is, it helps me relax.
This is such a good one. For my hobby, I can say, I enjoy gardening because it helps me relax. It explains the feeling my hobby gives me.
And for me, playing the guitar helps me relax after a long day at work. It's a great way to express the benefit of your hobby.
Okay, what about when you do your hobby? Many people have more free time on the weekend. So a great phrase is, I usually do it on weekends.
That makes sense. For example, if your hobby is hiking, you could say, I love hiking. I usually do it on weekends when I have more time.
Exactly. Or you can change it. Maybe you do your hobby in the evenings, then you can say, I usually do it in the evenings.
Right? It's flexible. So, listeners, when do you do your hobby?
Okay, our last phrase for today is about how you started your hobby. The phrase is, I started this hobby because…
This is a fantastic one for telling a little story. For example, I started playing the guitar because I saw a musician on TV and thought it looked so cool.
That's a great reason. For me, I started gardening because I wanted to make my balcony look more beautiful. See? It adds more detail and makes your conversation more interesting.
Definitely. So, let's quickly review all 6 phrases one more time.
Number 1, in my free time.
Number 2, I'm really into…
Number 3, I enjoy.
Number 4, it helps me relax.
Number 5, I usually do it on weekends.
And number 6, I started this hobby because…
And that brings us to the end of our episode. We really hope these phrases were helpful for you.
Yes, and the most important thing you can do now is practice. Try to use one of these new phrases today. You could tell a friend or a family member about your hobby using English.
That's a fantastic idea, Kevin. Hobbies are a wonderful topic for conversation, and now you have the tools to talk about them confidently.
Thank you so much for listening to Level Up Your English. We'll be back next time with another useful topic.
Until then, keep practicing and have a wonderful week. Bye for now.